Good morning students. Continuing from our last video on the chapter percentage and its application, this is the fourth video on this chapter. Today we are going to learn some of the key concepts on this chapter. So what are the key concepts? Let us discuss. So first of all, we'll discuss about profit and loss. All of you know in a business always profit and loss is there. So when we call a profit and when we call loss, and what are the concept used in the profit and loss, that we'll discuss here. Okay, so first of all we'll see what is CP or cost price. A cost price is a businessman, the amount when it purchases, okay, the amount in an article that a businessman purchased from other, that is called the cost price. Okay, we can call it as CP. So CP means the cost price. It is the amount or the price the businessman purchased the article from the any other person. Okay, so what is SP? SP means the selling price. Selling price. So what is selling price? Selling price is the businessman or a person sells an article to other person. Okay, that is called the sales price. And what is profit? Whenever there is a difference of sales price and cost price, we can calculate the profit and loss. That means sales price, if sales price is greater than cost price, we can call it as a profit. Okay, whenever the selling price is greater than the cost price, we can call it as a profit. And just reverse is there. Whenever the cost price is greater than the selling price, we can call it as a loss. Okay, so clear? Profit means selling price minus cost price. And what is loss? Loss means cost price minus selling price. Okay, so profit means selling price minus cost price and loss means cost price minus selling price. Now afterwards we'll calculate what is profit percentage. Okay, whenever there is a question it is asking that find out profit percentage, then how to find out? Before that we have to find out the profit. Okay, first of all we'll calculate the profit, then easily we can calculate the profit percentage. Okay, so profit percentage formula is profit upon cost price. Always profit and loss calculated upon the cost price of the article or the item. So profit upon cost price into 100, we can call it as a profit percentage. Okay, similarly for loss percentage, how to calculate the loss percentage? Loss, first of all we'll calculate the loss, then loss upon cost price into 100. Okay, so loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost price into 100. Okay, now let's see some more formulas relating to this percentage chapter. How to find out selling price when there is a profit percentage and cost price is given. So whenever there is a profit percentage is given, just add this profit percentage to the 100. Suppose 10% is the profit. Okay, so 100 plus 10 is 110 and divided by 100 into cost price, and that is the selling price of the article. So whenever the profit percentage and cost price is given, we can easily calculate the selling price by using this formula. So it is for the profit case. Whenever there is a loss is given, so what is the formula to find out the selling price? 100 minus loss percentage upon 100 into cost price. So we can find out the selling price of an article. Now let's see how to find cost price of an article. Whenever there is a profit is given, profit percentage, so we can find out using this formula. 100 upon just reciprocal of this, market reciprocal of this is the cost price. So 100 upon 100 plus profit percentage into the selling price. Because selling price is given and profit percentage is given, we can easily calculate the cost price of an article. Okay, Now, when there is a case of loss percentage is given, how to find out the cost price of an article? So, cost price equal to 100 upon 100 minus loss percentage into selling price. So, using this formula, we are going to solve some of the story problems or the word problems given in this chapter. Okay. Now, look at this word problem. The word problem say that an article was brought for rupees 1500 and sold for rupees 2000. Find the gain and gain percentage. That means in the question itself it is given that is gain is there. Gain means profit. So profit is also called, we can call it as a gain. Okay. So gain, and we have to find out the gain percentage also. So first of all, we'll see what is the cost price in this question. Okay, an article was bought for rupees 1500. The purchasing price is the cost price. So here cost price equal to given, that is 1500. And what is the selling price? The article was sold for 2000. So the selling price was 2000. Okay. Now, we have to find out the gain and gain percentage. As we know that if the selling price of an article is more than the cost price, then we can call it as profit or gain. So, therefore, gain equal to SP, selling price, minus cost price, equal to how much? That is 2000 minus 1500 equal to how much? That is rupees 500. So here we see that we can gain is 500. Then next part of the question is find out the gain percentage. So therefore gain percentage equal to, what is the formula to find out the gain percentage? It is gain upon cost price into 100. So what is gain? That is 500. So 500 upon CP. What is CP? 1500 into 100. So what is the result? Both zero cut here. 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 100. So here you got 100 upon 3. It is a improper fraction. Make it to mixed fraction. That is percentage you have to find out. So 33 multiply here, because 33 into 3 is 99. 99 plus 1. So what you got here? Gain percentage is 33 whole 1 upon 3 percentage. Okay. Now look at the next question of the word problem. That is, question is, Asha bought a cycle for 720 rupees and sold it for 698 rupees 40 paisa. Find the loss percentage. So here what is the cost price? Because the article is purchased or brought for rupees 720. So the cost price here 720. Okay. Now it's sold for 698 rupees 40 paisa. So that is the selling price or SP. So SP equal to 698 rupees 40 paisa. Okay. And here already given it is a loss percentage, means already loss is there, because here cost price is more than the selling price. Whenever the cost price is more than the selling price, it is a case of loss. Okay. So what is loss? So loss equal to 720 minus 698 rupees 40 paisa. Just minus it. 720 minus 698 rupees 40 paisa. So what is the result? 0 here, 6 here, here 9, 9 minus 8 1, here it is 11 minus 2 is 2, and so 21 rupees 60 paisa. So what is the loss? Loss is 21 rupees 60 paisa. Okay. Now we have already got the loss. So the next part of the question is asking the find out the loss percentage. So what is the formula of loss percentage? Loss percentage equal to loss upon cost price. Always profit and loss calculated upon the cost price, that you remember. Okay, into 100. So 21.60 upon cost price. What is the cost price? 720 into 100, that is equal to, so here decimal is present, make it to fraction, 2160 upon 100 into 720 into 100. So we have 100 cut. So 723 is how much? It is equal to the same number, that is 3%. So 720 into 3 is equal to 2160. So how much you got loss percentage? That is 3%. Okay, I hope you understand the profit and loss concept whatever discussed today, and further in the next videos we will see some of the word problems based on this concept. Okay.